welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Boulder, Colorado. It's an example of our Coyote Edition product in a one-of-one livery. That's right, we've never done it before. It's a one-of-a-kind paint scheme, matte finish in green with painted Ranger stripes. Add to that a Wimbledon white hardtop, and this is a wonderful-looking vehicle. Underneath, you've got a Kinzer Engineering chassis, and it drives phenomenal. Take a look at some of these rollers. Turning our attention to the interior, you've got this wonderful wool carpet front and back, family roll bar, and distressed Italian leather with flip and fold seats. The flip and folds have vertical pleats to look like the original Bronco seats. Heated front and rear, this is a great Bronco ready for the Colorado lifestyle. Well, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.